Hey there, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey as we explore the art of selecting the right vegetables for your home garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, picking the perfect veggies can make all the difference in your garden's success. I'm your name, and in this video, I'll be sharing expert tips and insights to help you make informed decisions about which vegetables to grow. Let's jump right in. Understanding your climate and growing conditions. Before we dive into specific vegetables, it's crucial to understand your climate zone and growing conditions. Different vegetables thrive in different climates, so make sure to choose varieties that are well suited to your area. Assessing your space and resources. Take a look around your garden space. How much sunlight do you get? How's the soil quality? Do you have ample space for sprawling vines, or are you working with containers? Understanding your resources will guide your vegetable choices. Considering your taste and preferences. Your taste preferences play a significant role in selecting vegetables. Do you love fresh salads? Are you a fan of hearty soups? Consider the vegetables that align with your culinary preferences to ensure you're growing what you love to eat. Evaluating yield and harvest time. Some vegetables offer a bountiful harvest in a short amount of time, while others take longer to mature. Think about whether you want a continuous harvest or if you're willing to wait for certain crops. Exploring space-saving and vertical options. If you're working with limited space, don't worry. Many vegetables can be grown vertically, saving valuable ground space. Vining plants like cucumbers, beans, and even tomatoes can thrive when trained to grow vertically. Companion planting and diversity. Companion planting is a fantastic way to boost your garden's health and productivity. Certain vegetables thrive when planted alongside others, while some combinations help deter pests. Research companion planting to create a diverse and harmonious garden. Nutrient-rich and unique varieties. Expand your gardening horizons by exploring nutrient-rich and unique vegetable varieties. Heirloom varieties often offer exceptional flavors and can add a touch of uniqueness to your garden and your plate. Considering container-friendly options. Don't let limited space stop you from growing your own veggies. Many vegetables thrive in containers, making them suitable for balconies, patios, and even windowsills. Experiment with container gardening to maximize your options. Researching and sourcing seeds. Once you've narrowed down your vegetable choices, it's time to research and source high-quality seeds. Look for reputable seed suppliers and consider ordering online or visiting local gardening centers. And there you have it, your guide to selecting the right vegetables for your home garden. Remember, a well-chosen variety of veggies can bring joy, flavor, and nutrition to your table. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening insights, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, happy gardening!